Now, now we'll be discussing about the types of springs. Types of spring, there are many different types of springs are there. The fundamental springs I have classified as, first one is helical spring. So you can observe here this type of spring, wherever we have the coiled spring which is made by wire, that is called helical spring. Then conical or involute spring. So second picture what we have, this is conical or involute spring. So here diameter is continuously small, here the diameter is large. So diameter is continuously, it is decreasing. This is called as a conical spring. Then the third one is torsion spring. This one is a torsion spring. Then fourth one is leaf spring, which we use in many automobiles, especially heavy loaded trucks and buses. We use this laminated spring. This is also called as a leaf spring. Then fifth one is Belleville spring, or we call as a disc spring. So okay, so disc spring. So these are the main fundamental classification of spring. Along with that, spring also can be classified. Spring also can be classified in different aspects. Like it depends on application. We can classify the spring. For example, here you can look here. This is a gearbox spring. This is uh, this is a clutch. This is one special purpose spring we have here. One special purpose spring we have here. This is made for clutch plate. You can look into the operation of that here in this picture. You can look into the operation of this. So how this spring is working, you can look into my marker here. The last picture what I am showing here, the how spring work is. So based on application, we can classify the springs. So once again, I just read out the spring classification: helical spring, conical spring, torsional spring, laminated spring or leaf spring, then disc or Belleville spring, then special purpose springs. It depends on one application to another application. We can't classify this one easily.